What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to remove a payment method from your iPhone. This is useful if you want to update your payment information or simply remove an old credit card from your Apple account. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone and tap on your name at the top of the screen to access your Apple ID settings. Next, tap on Payment and Shipping. Depending on your device settings, you might be prompted to enter your Apple ID password to proceed. Once you're in the Payment and Shipping section, you will see a list of your saved payment methods, such as credit cards, debit cards, or even PayPal accounts. To remove one of those payment methods, tap on the Edit button in the top right corner of the screen. Then, tap the red Delete button next to the payment method you wish to remove. You'll be asked to confirm your choice by tapping Remove again. Below your list of payment methods, you will also see options to add funds to your account using a gift card, or you can add a new payment method if needed. This feature is handy if you want to update your payment options after removing an old method. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.